And we've made it to another Friday. I hope everybody had as good a week as I did. There were a number of games put on sale this week. Not very many applications other than icon packs. Another AAA game developer has discounted their game, Assassin's Creed Identity, which Ubisoft normally sells for $2, but it's half off right now as well. And then racing fans may want to check out Absolute Drift, which typically is priced at $3, but it's only $1 right now. And then there's also Trail Boss BMX, which normally costs $4, but it's less than $1.50 right now. And speaking of Noodle Cake Studios, the mobile game publisher has a number of games in the Play Store right now that have been discounted. So those who are fans of this publisher or developers from this publisher should definitely check out the Play Store page for them. I've noted that the Framed game is currently on sale for only $1, as well as its sequel, Framed 2, normally costs $5, but it's only $1 right now. Lumino City is another game from the same publisher studio. Again, only $1, normally priced at $5. We have a unique looking Infinite Runner game called Chameleon Run. It's only $1. Liched Spear, maybe that's how it's pronounced. It's only $1.50. Normally costs almost $5. Has high reviews. And then we have Death Road to Canada. Fun little game. Normally costs $10, but you can get it right now and support the developer behind it by buying it for only $3. Speaking of popular independent developers, we have Getting Over It, a game that is very popular on PC. I can only imagine it's even more difficult on mobile, but still, it's only $1 right now. And last up we have The Sun Origin, which is a post-apocalyptic action shooter. It's half off right now. And another game you can grab for only $1 is Million Onion Hotel. Typically costs $4.50, but you can get it at its lowest price ever for only $1. And then we have Teslagrad, a fun game from Playdigious, which typically costs $7, but right now for a limited time you can buy it for only $1, and it will stay on your account forever. Now to wrap up this week's Android application and game sales, we have some free apps and games. There are a number of application icon packs that typically cost $1 to $1.50 that you can get for absolutely free, and they will stay on your account. Then we have a fun little kids game called A Tale of Littleberry Forest. Typically costs $1, but you can get it for absolutely free with no in-app purchases right now. So that's some of the best Android application and game sales for the week ending on May 7th from PlayStoresales.com.